Welcome to the Genius Inventions channel, where we dive deep into the world of heavy machinery and groundbreaking equipment. Join us as we explore the marvels of engineering and technology that shape our world. The OMC Hedgehog is a specialized hedge cutting machine designed for precision and efficiency in maintaining hedges and shrubbery. Its unique cutting mechanism ensures a clean and precise cut, enhancing the appearance and health of the hedges. The Hedgehog's user-friendly design and reliability make it a must-have for landscaping and gardening professionals. The Nexit tractor is a futuristic concept in agricultural machinery, designed for maximum efficiency and sustainability. Its modular design allows for various attachments, making it a versatile tool for multiple farming operations. The Nexat's advanced technology, including autonomous operation and energy efficiency, positions it at the forefront of agricultural innovation. Pottinger's 1403C is a high-capacity loader wagon designed for efficient forage harvesting and transport. Its robust construction and advanced features ensure fast and effective collection of forage, making it a vital tool for livestock farming. The 1403C's reliability and performance make it a popular choice among farmers. Next, we have the Holland CR 1090, an advanced combine harvester renowned for its impressive harvesting capabilities. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, it ensures maximum grain quality and minimal waste. Its high-capacity harvesting system, combined with a comfortable operator environment, optimizes productivity and efficiency. The Struick Varex 4500 twin rotor, a remarkable piece of agricultural machinery, stands out for its efficiency and versatility. With its twin rotor design, it provides exceptional soil preparation capabilities, making it a vital tool for farmers. The Fendt 1000 Vario represents a leap in tractor technology. It's not just a tractor, it's a powerhouse designed to tackle the toughest agricultural tasks with ease. With its intelligent Vario transmission and high horsepower, it delivers unmatched performance and fuel efficiency. The ergonomic design and advanced user interface make it a joy to operate, providing farmers with a perfect blend of comfort and control. The Degelman Rock King 9600, a rock picker, is engineered for durability and efficiency. Its robust design allows for the effective removal of rocks from agricultural land, enhancing soil quality and crop yield. The Rock King 9600's large capacity and easy maneuverability make it an essential tool for farmers dealing with rocky terrain. The Lavender KL18 is a specialized harvesting machine designed for lavender cultivation. Its precision harvesting technology ensures gentle handling of the plants, maximizing yield and preserving the quality of the lavender. The KL18's efficient design reduces labor costs and increases productivity, making it a valuable asset for lavender farmers. John Deere's Plus 2 A420R is an innovative baling attachment designed to work seamlessly with John Deere balers. This attachment streamlines the baling process, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Its robust construction and compatibility with various baler models make it a versatile and essential tool for hay and straw baling operations. The Maschio Gaspardo Diablo is a powerful and versatile cultivator, ideal for both primary and secondary tillage. Its robust design and advanced features enable it to handle tough soil conditions with ease. The Diablo is known for its efficiency in breaking up soil, controlling weeds, and preparing seed beds, making it a valuable tool for modern farming. Vernaland's 6300S Variomat plough is a testament to the brand's dedication to agricultural innovation. This reversible plough offers exceptional versatility and durability, making it ideal for various soil conditions. Its unique design allows for precise depth control and uniform furrow width, resulting in optimal soil turnover and preparation. The Amazon UF 2002 is a state-of-the-art field sprayer that epitomizes precision and efficiency in crop protection. Its advanced spray technology ensures optimal distribution of pesticides and nutrients, reducing waste and environmental impact. Tarpaulin Expand R 5090 is a revolutionary tarpaulin system designed for covering large areas quickly and effectively. Its expandable design makes it highly versatile, suitable for various applications in agriculture. The Case IH autonomous tractor represents a breakthrough in agricultural technology. This driverless tractor offers precision, efficiency, and safety, revolutionizing farming practices. Its advanced navigation and control systems allow for seamless operation, reducing labor costs and increasing productivity. The autonomous tractor is a glimpse into the future of farming, where technology and innovation drive efficiency. JCB's 542 70 Agri Pro is a high-performance telehandler designed for the agricultural sector. It combines power, versatility, and innovation to provide an optimal solution for material handling. Its advanced features, including the unique Dual-Tech VT transmission, ensure exceptional maneuverability and efficiency. Green Climber LV600, a remote-controlled slope mower, is designed for challenging terrain and steep slopes. Its advanced technology allows for safe and efficient mowing in areas that are difficult to access, ensuring optimal land management. The LV600's robust construction and versatility make it an ideal solution for maintaining diverse landscapes. The GEX XD6 Mini is a compact drilling rig, perfect for small-scale construction and utility projects. Its small footprint and powerful performance make it ideal for tight spaces and urban environments. The XD6 Mini's advanced features ensure precision drilling. The Dynaset HRVB Hydraulic Recycling Vacuum Bucket is an innovative solution for material handling and recycling. This attachment transforms excavators into powerful vacuum cleaners, enabling efficient collection and recycling of various materials. The HRVB's unique design and versatility make it a game changer in waste management and environmental cleanup operations. McElroy's Triton Trademark 560 is a state-of-the-art pipe fusion machine designed for the efficient and reliable joining of thermoplastic pipes. Its robust design and advanced features ensure high-quality fusion joints, essential for the integrity of piping systems. The Pecan Gullwing double tire system is an innovative solution for reducing soil compaction in agricultural fields. Its unique design distributes the weight of heavy machinery more evenly, preserving soil structure and health. The gull-wing system is an essential tool for sustainable farming practices, ensuring optimal crop growth and yield. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of heavy machinery and technological marvels. Your support and enthusiasm drive us to explore further and delve deeper into the world of innovative equipment. Don't forget to comment with your thoughts and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the genius of modern machinery.